Je zelo ponosen. Zelo dober hokej se je gledal. Ne vem, če je bil že v Tivoli v zgodovini kdaj tako hiter hokej, kot je bilo tole danes. Fantastičen nasprotnik. Na čase smo bili, ali pa veliko večino tekmo smo bili kar ta pravi. Dejstvo je pa, da so tukaj reakcije še toliko večje, da nam je bilo doskrat težko. Ampak ta naša nepopustljivost, borbenost nas je pripeljala do zelo nizkega rezultata. Z majčkim sreče bi se lahko tudi drugače obrnili, ampak pustimo to. Zelo dober hokej, en hokejski praznik. So fantje lahko kar zelo ponosni na sebe danes.
No, I mean, it's the Champions League. It's a lot of good teams and only good teams, I would say. So we didn't expect to get anything for free. Happy to get the win, happy to clinch the first place in the group and move on. So yeah, we're most happy, I would say. It was an even first period. I think we we were up 2-0 there. We maybe had more chances. I think we played a strong second period. Maybe could have scored some more goals in the second. And of course, it's when they got the first goal with 10 minutes left. There is a game again. But in general, happy with the win and that we clinched the first place in the group.